Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we are talking about what to expect on your favorite Star Life series this January. There's a lot of drama unfolding, and you definitely don't want to miss any of it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button and tap the bell icon so you're notified whenever a new video drops. Alright, let's jump straight into today's video. 1st January 2026, Bunny breaks down when her relationship with Yuvan is questioned after a disreputable picture circulates. She decides to stay away from Yuvan to protect her honor. January 2nd, 2026, Raza creates chaos by displaying Bunny and Yuvan's pictures. When Bunny saves Yuvan from being beaten, infuriated slum dwellers vandalize her house. January 3rd, 2026, Raza attempts to destroy Bunny's business, and Yuvan tries to stop him. To protect Bunny, Yuvan stands in front of her and gets hit instead. January 4th, 2026, after being harassed by neighbors, Bunny announces her decision to accept Yuvan as her life partner. Devraj is delighted and openly supports her. January 5th, 2026, Bunny lays a trap to catch the person who leaked her photos online and discovers it was her aunt. While confronting her aunt, Veer warns her. January 6th, 2026, Vishnu apologizes to Bunny on behalf of his parents, but she cuts all ties with Suresh. Manini arrives to stop the wedding and discovers Devraj's letter. January 7th, 2026, the Rathors fail to locate Bunny and Yuvan as local residents give wrong directions. Bunny and Yuvan prepare to tie the knot. January 8th, 2026, Yuvan and Bunny are married and promise to lead a happy life. The shocked Rathors refuse to accept their wedding. January 9th, 2026, Manini is devastated as she recalls Devraj's role in her parents' deaths. Bunny receives an unexpected welcome from Manini at Yuvan's house. January 10th, 2026, Bunny and Devraj are shocked by Manini's sudden change when she berates Viraj for disrespecting Yuvan. She gives strict instructions to Veer. January 11th, 2026, Bunny is shocked by Yuvan's unthinkable behavior. Recalling her words, he asks Shankar to sleep in his room on his wedding night. January 12th, 2026, Manini suggests that Bunny teach Yuvan about the special bond spouses share. January 13th, 2026, Yuvan yells at Bunny when his mother's photo accidentally catches fire. Manini devises a plan to take revenge for her humiliation. January 14th, 2026, Yuvan accidentally sees Bunny taking a shower and discloses it publicly. Bunny teaches Yuvan a valuable lesson about marriage. January 15th, 2026, following Manini's plan, Viraj frightens Yuvan into revealing the truth. When Alpana humiliates Bunny, she gives a sharp reply. January 16th, 2026, Bunny is pleased to see Yuvan's affection while Alpana humiliates her. She is shocked when Manini unexpectedly takes her side. January 17th, 2026, Bunny refuses to wear Yuvan's mother's ornaments during rituals. Yuvan arranges a surprise for her during the occasion. January 18th, 2026, Yuvan is praised for penning a romantic poem for Bunny during rituals. Charmi throws Yuvan's mother's sari and ornaments to frame Bunny. January 19th, 2026, during a post-wedding ritual, Manini executes her plan while Yuvan misbehaves with Bunny. She asks Hemant to console him. January 20th, 2026, the Rathors are surprised when Bunny volunteers to cook Italian cuisine. She defends Yuvan and makes the family understand the reality. January 21st, 2026 Bunny makes an effort to give Yuvan the respect he deserves in the Rathod family. Yuvan visits the planetarium with Bunny and Devraj to meet his mother. January 22nd, 2026 Bunny rescues Yuvan when he gets accidentally locked inside the planetarium room. She notices a shocking change as he calls Manini his mother. January 23rd, 2026 Yuvan's sudden change surprises everyone as he plays the piano after several years. Bunny feels suspicious about Manini, but Yuvan refuses to explain. January 24th, 2026 Yuvan confesses to stealing food from Bunny's packages, yet she gets the blame and loses clients. Yuvan offers to apologize to each client. January 25th, 2026 Bunny discovers a clue from Charmi's bag, making her suspicious of Yuvan's behavior toward Manini. She is blamed when Yuvan steals a golden flute from the temple. January 26th, 2026 Bunny learns Palak's truth and reveals it to the Rathods. After finding evidence, she glimpses the conspiracy against Yuvan. January 27th, 2026 Bunny uncovers more about what changed Yuvan's approach toward Manini. Yuvan plans a surprise and apologizes to Bunny. January 28th, 2026 Bunny traps Viraj and Charmi and questions them about the planetarium incident. Manini tries to trick Yuvan into doing something dangerous. January 29th, 2026 Manini tells Yuvan that his late mother's soul dwells within her and they will stay together forever. January 30th, 2026 To gain Yuvan's trust, Manini pretends to be Vandana in front of Bunny and Devraj. Yuvan thanks her, relieved he no longer has to keep it a secret. January 31st, 2026 Bunny is delighted when Yuvan gives her a special birthday surprise. Manini gets into trouble when Yuvan makes a shocking request to her. For watching till the end, I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye guys.